The US Supreme Court is considering whether bans on the harmful and pseudoscientific practice of conversion therapy for minors are constitutional. And this is part of a much larger pattern by the religious right that goes well beyond conversion therapy. This is all helpfully outlined by Kat Grant in their recent article, What's at Stake in the Supreme Court Conversion Therapy Case. Because the tactic being used by the defendant, represented by the SPLC-designated hate group Alliance Defending Freedom, is not new. Effectively, this defendant is claiming that this ban interferes with their free speech. A tactic that was similarly used in 2018 regarding California's attempt to stem the tide of misinformation coming out of crisis pregnancy centers. The ADF relying heavily on the idea that this medical treatment only takes form of talking, despite long-standing precedent regulating professional speech. And despite the ADF's consistently repeated claim that this counseling is evidence-based without mentioning the specific type of counseling they're defending is not evidence-based, and that no reputable study nor mainstream medical organization actually endorses conversion therapy, and that the medical consensus is that it is generally deeply harmful. That is why it is banned in 20 states for the use in minors. The through line, though, is clear, which is that this is a much larger pattern even outside of conversion therapy. Leveraging free speech, religious liberty, the religious right aim to ensure misinformation, pseudoscience, and fear-mongering win the day. And queer rights have been a convenient foothold to test the limits and boundaries. This will have ripple effects throughout everyone's rights, regardless of sexual orientation. So if you would like to read more on this, read the blog by Kat Grant in Free Thought Now. And if you would like to follow the fight against Christian nationalism, please follow us here and check out our website.